dim. Idaho's got craters, and Arizona's canyons glow. You know I've been enchanted way down in New Mexico. I'm going back to Jackson. I got a smile on my face. I love them Teton mountains. There just can't be a better place. Take me back to Wyoming, where the cowboys still ride tall, and the women all look natural. Just take me back to Jackson Hole. I made some good friends in Alaska. All the people up there were great. I've done some gambling in Nevada. That's where you trust your hand to fate. Sometimes I'm California dreaming. That's when I'm Santa Barbara bound. I'm moving to Montana, 'cause that's where the beef can be found. Well, North Dakota's got the Badlands, and South Dakota's got Black Hills. Makes no difference where I've gone, boys. I've always had a million friends. Ain't nothing like the feeling after 3 months on the road. I'm heading down that highway, me and the band are heading home. I'm going back to Jackson. I got a smile on my face. I love them Teton mountains. Just can't be a better place. Take me back to Wyoming, where the cowboys still ride tall, where the women all look natural. Take me back to Jackson Hole.